Hello students, welcome all of you to the YouTube channel Physics Quantum Classes. In this video, we will discuss adiabatic process and work done during adiabatic process in thermodynamics, chapter 12 of class 11 physics, in part 12 of this chapter. Work done during adiabatic process, we will derive the formulae, which is not only important derivation but problems based on these formulae, that is the formulae for work done during adiabatic process, are very important for NEET and IIT JEE entrances, which we will discuss in the videos separately. First of all, we have to discuss adiabatic process. We have to define adiabatic process. The process in which pressure, say capital P, volume, say capital V, and temperature, say capital T, of a system change, but there is no exchange of heat between the system and its surroundings, is called an adiabatic process. वैसा प्रोसेस जिसमें सिस्टम का प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर तो चेंज करता है, बट सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग्स के बीच हीट का एक्सचेंज नहीं होता है, तो वैसा प्रोसेस, उस प्रोसेस को adiabatic प्रोसेस कहा जाता है. Since in an adiabatic process temperature of a system changes, that is does not remain constant, so Boyle's law PV is equal to constant cannot holds. So the relation between pressure capital P and volume V of an ideal gas in an adiabatic process is PV gamma equals to K constant. Since adiabatic process में सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट नहीं होता है, सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर चेंज करता है, इसलिए adiabatic प्रोसेस में बॉयल्स लॉ होल्ड नहीं करता है. इसलिए adiabatic प्रोसेस में किसी आइडियल गैस का प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम के बीच का रिलेशन PV गामा इक्वल्स टू कांस्टेंट K यूज किया जाता है, वेयर गामा इज द रेशियो ऑफ टू स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ गैसेस, दैट इज गामा इज इक्वल टू CP अपॉन CV. A very important example of adiabatic process is back and forth motion of the piston inside the cylinder of a डीजल इंजन. किसी डीजल इंजन के सिलेंडर के अंदर पिस्टन का बैक एंड फोर्थ, आगे पीछे मोशन adiabatic प्रोसेस का एक बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है, जिसमें पिस्टन के सिलेंडर के अंदर बैक एंड फोर्थ मोशन होने से सिलेंडर के अंदर गैस का कंप्रेशन एंड रेयरफेक्शन होता है, जबकि बाहर से सिलेंडर के अंदर हीट का एक्सचेंज नहीं होता है. लेकिन सिलेंडर के अंदर पिस्टन के बैक एंड फोर्थ मोशन के कारण, आगे पीछे मोशन के कारण, गैस में कंप्रेशन एंड रेयरफेक्शन होता है, जिसके कारण गैस का टेम्परेचर चेंज करता है. नाउ वी हैव टू डिराइव the expressions for work done during adiabatic process. For the derivation, for this derivation, suppose n moles, a small n moles or mu moles of an ideal gas is kept inside an insulating cylinder with an insulating piston of area of cross section capital A, that is walls of the cylinder and piston all are of insulating materials, and say n moles of an ideal gas is kept inside this cylinder. Suppose the gas inside the cylinder expands adiabatically so that the gas exerts pressure capital P on the piston in the upward direction, resulted to a very small displacement dx of the piston from position capital B to capital C. So force applied by the ideal gas on the piston is given by force equals to pressure multiplied by area capital A, where capital A is the area of cross section of the piston we have taken in this case. Suppose it is equation number 1, that is force acting on the piston by the ideal gas is capital F is equal to pressure capital P multiplied by area capital A. Now work done by the ideal gas for very small displacement dx of the piston in upward direction is dw. dw is the very small amount of work done, and dw is equal to F multiplied by dx, and force is equal to pressure multiplied by area multiplied by dx, and it is equal to area of the piston capital A multiplied by dx is the very small displacement of the piston in the upward direction. So area multiplied by this small distance displacement dx is increase in volume of the gas, which is dV, that is P into dV. So work done by the ideal gas during the adiabatic expansion is given by dW equals to P multiplied by dV, pressure multiplied by increase in volume, where area of the piston multiplied by the distance moved by the piston, very small distance moved by the piston dx is A into dx is dV, increase in volume of the gas. Now total work done by the ideal gas for change in volume of the ideal gas from its initial value V1 to final volume V2, so that the temperature of the system changes to or falls to T2 from T1. तो आइडियल गैस द्वारा टोटल वर्क डन कैलकुलेट करने के लिए वी हैव टू इंटीग्रेट इक्वेशन 2, that is dW is equal to P into dV between the limits V1 to V2, that is initial volume V1 to final volume V2. जब गैस का आइडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन सिलेंडर के अंदर होता है, तो सपोज किया जाए कि गैस का वॉल्यूम इनिशियल वॉल्यूम V1 से चेंज होकर फाइनल वॉल्यूम V2 हो जाता है, एंड उस प्रोसेस में प्रेशर चेंज होकर P1 से इनिशियल प्रेशर P1 से P2 हो जाता है, एंड टेम्परेचर T1 से चेंज होकर इनिशियल टेम्परेचर T1 से चेंज होकर T2 हो जाता है. सो टोटल वर्क डन बाय द आइडियल गैस फॉर चेंज इन इट्स वॉल्यूम, दैट इज चेंज इन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आइडियल गैस फ्रॉम V1 to V2 is given by W equals to integral dW, and in RHS it is P into dV integral P multiplied by dV. Lower limit of volume is V1, initial volume, upper limit is V2. So total work done W is equal to integral dW, integrating both sides of equation 2. So total work done by the ideal gas is W is equal to integral dW equals to V1 to V2. dW is P into dV. dW is a small work done by the ideal gas for a small displacement dx of the piston is dW is equal to P into dV. So total work done by the ideal gas for change its volume from initial value V1 to final value of the volume V2 is integral V1 to V2 P multiplied by dV, and we can write P as K upon V gamma using the relation of pressure and volume of an ideal gas in an adiabatic process. PV gamma is equal to K, therefore P is equal to K upon V gamma. So we have, in place of P we can write K upon V to the power gamma, integral lower limit of volume is V1 and upper limit is V2. So integral V1 to V2, and in place of P we have written K upon V gamma using the relation PV gamma is equal to constant during an adiabatic process. So P is equal to K upon V gamma multiplied by dV. Now K is constant, it can be taken out of the bracket. K constant है, bracket के बाहर कर लिया जाए. Now we have K is out of the bracket multiplied by integral V1 to V2 into integral V1 to V2 1 by V gamma, 1 by V to the power gamma is now V to the power minus gamma in the numerator. डिनोमिनेटर में V गामा V टू द पावर गामा है डिनोमिनेटर में. K को इंटीग्रल सिंबल से बाहर कर लिया गया क्योंकि K कांस्टेंट है. तो 1 by V गामा 1 अपॉन V टू द पावर गामा वी कैन राइट इट एज V टू द पावर माइनस गामा इन द न्यूमरेटर. जब V टू द पावर गामा डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो निगेटिव पावर हो जाएगा V टू द पावर माइनस गामा मल्टीप्लाइड बाई dV. नाउ यूजिंग द using the formula of integration, it is a different integration. So we have in the next step W equals to K multiplied by V to the power minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1, and limit is lower limit is V1, upper limit is V2. Using the formula integration formula, integral x to the power n dx equals to x n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here in place of x there is V, and in place of dx there is dV. So it is V to the power minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1, and since it is a different integral, so taking this term inside the big bracket, and limit is taken from V1 to V2, and now it is K upon minus gamma plus 1 is 1 minus gamma. Taking minus gamma plus 1, that is 1 minus gamma, out of the bracket, we have inside the bracket V gamma minus gamma plus 1, that is V 1 minus gamma. ब्रैकेट के अंदर V 1 माइनस गामा प्लस 1 को 1 माइनस गामा लिखा जा सकता है. एंड लोअर लिमिट इज V1, अपर लिमिट इज V2. ब्रैकेट देकर लोअर लिमिट में V1 एंड अपर लिमिट में V2. इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंट इंटीग्रेशन में इंटीग्रेशन फार्मूला यूज करने के बाद लिमिट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, लोअर लिमिट एंड अपर लिमिट को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए बिग ब्रैकेट का यूज किया जाता है, जो कि यहाँ पर भी किया गया. नाउ वी हैव और W इक्वल्स टू K अपॉन 1 माइनस गामा under bracket. Now using the formula of different integral, first of all we have to replace v by v2 and then by v1, taking minus sign between them. So we have k upon W is equal to total work done by the ideal gas is W is equal to k upon 1 minus gamma under bracket v2 1 minus gamma minus v1 1 minus gamma. Now we can write it as 1 upon 1 minus gamma under bracket k multiplied by v2 1 minus gamma minus k multiplied by v1 1 minus gamma, where v2 is the final volume which is in the upper limit and v1 is the initial volume of the ideal gas. Taking k, capital K, that is constant inside the bracket, so we have written here W is equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma under bracket k multiplied by v2 1 minus gamma minus k multiplied by v1 1 minus gamma. कांस्टेंट k को ब्रैकेट के अंदर कर दिया गया, तो k को फर्स्ट टर्म v2 1 माइनस गामा से भी मल्टीप्लाई किया गया एंड सेकेंड टर्म v1 1 माइनस गामा से भी मल्टीप्लाई किया गया, चूँकि कांस्टेंट k को ब्रैकेट के अंदर किया गया इसलिए. नाउ इन प्लेस ऑफ k इन द फर्स्ट टर्म इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, इन प्लेस ऑफ k we can write P2 V2 gamma, because we know that the relation between pressure and volume of an ideal gas in an adiabatic process is PV gamma is equal to constant. So if pressure and volume of a gas changes from P1 and V1 to P2 and V2, so we can write PV gamma is equal to constant equals to P1 V1 gamma equals to P2 V2 gamma. And if further pressure and volume of the ideal gas change from P2 V2 to P3 V3, then we can write P3 V3 gamma is product of P3 and V3 gamma will also constant. So we have in an adiabatic process PV gamma is equal to constant, P1 V1 gamma is equal to also constant, P2 V2 gamma is also constant, P3 V3 gamma is also constant. So we can write P2 V2 gamma and dot so and so on equals to K. Product of P and V gamma will remain constant. So total work done by the ideal gas, we can write W equals to 1 upon 1 minus gamma under bracket. In the first term there is a K multiplied by V2 1 minus gamma. In place of K we can write P2 V2 gamma, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टर्म में V2 1 माइनस गामा है इसलिए K की जगह पर फर्स्ट टर्म में कांस्टेंट K का वैल्यू P2 V2 गामा रखना होगा. सो रिप्लेसिंग K फॉर P2 V2 gamma in the first term inside the bracket, we have P2 V2 gamma multiplied by V2 1 minus gamma minus in the second term K is also present. So K multiplied by in the second term inside the bracket we have K multiplied by V1 1 minus gamma. So in the second term in place of K we can write P1 V1 gamma, P1 V1 to the power gamma. So we have in place of K we can write P1 V1 gamma in the second term inside the bracket multiplied by V1 1 minus gamma. क्योंकि सेकेंड टर्म में K के साथ मल्टीप्लाई है V1 टू द पावर 1 माइनस गामा, देयरफॉर K के जगह पर P1 V1 गामा सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा. नाउ वी हैव द रिजल्ट फर्स्ट फॉर्म of work done by an ideal gas during adiabatic process. W equals to 1 upon 1 minus gamma under bracket P2. Now under bracket inside the bracket the first term is P2 V2 gamma multiplied by V2 1 minus gamma. So P2 V2 gamma plus 1 minus gamma, क्योंकि पावर बेस सेम होने पर पावर ऐड हो जाता है, इसलिए V2 का पावर गामा प्लस 1 माइनस गामा. सो प्लस गामा माइनस गामा विल कैंसिल आउट, सो वी विल लेफ्ट विथ P2 V2 गामा multiplied by V2 1 minus gamma is P2 V2 only, minus second term inside the bracket is P1 V1 gamma, P1 V1 to the power gamma multiplied by V1 to the power 1 minus gamma. Again we have P1 V1 gamma plus 1 minus gamma, plus gamma and minus gamma will cancel out, so we will left with P1 V1. So it is P1 V1. And now we can write taking minus common, so we have minus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon minus gamma minus 1, also taking minus common in the denominator. So we have the final result P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon denominator is now gamma minus 1 in place of 1 minus gamma, taking minus common in the numerator and denominator of this equation of work done. W is equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma under bracket P2 V2 minus P1 V1, and finally we can write P1 V1, we can write it as W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1, and this is the first relation, first formula for work done by an ideal gas during an adiabatic process. And suppose it is equation number, we have say it is equation number 4 from the start. Now we can obtain another formula, we can derive another formula. This formula for work done during adiabatic process is in terms of initial pressure P1, initial volume V1, final volume of the ideal gas P2, final pressure of the ideal gas P2, and final volume of the ideal gas V2. So this formula for work done during adiabatic process in terms of pressure, initial pressure P1, initial volume V1, final volume V2, and final pressure P2 of the ideal gas, and also in terms of gamma, which is the ratio of Cp by Cv. So first formula for work done during adiabatic process is W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. Now using the ideal gas equation, we can obtain the another formula for work done during adiabatic process in terms of the initial temperature capital T1 and final temperature capital T2 of an ideal gas. So in place of P1 V1, we can write for n mole of an ideal gas n, a small n, capital R T1, and in place of P2 V2, we can write nR, a small n, capital R T2 upon gamma minus 1. Using the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, we can write P1 V1 is equal to n for n mole of an ideal gas, n capital R is the gas constant, nRT1, and P2 V2 equals to nRT2. तो इक्वेशन 4 में जो कि वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस का फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है जिसे हम लोगों ने डिराइव किया, तो इसमें P1 V1 की जगह nRT1 रिप्लेस किया जाए एंड P2 V2 के जगह nRT2 रिप्लेस किया जाए, तो उस सिचुएशन में वी हैव देयरफॉर वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग adiabatic process is P1 V1 is replaced by nR, a small n is the total number of moles of the ideal gas. In place of n, we can write mu also. So it is, but here we have taken total number of moles of the gas as a small n. So it is nR, n capital R T1 minus P2 V2 is nR capital T2 using the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT upon gamma minus 1, and nR is common in both terms in the numerator. nR common है both terms में numerator में, so nR is taken out of the bracket. nR is common, taking nR as common, so we have in the first term inside the bracket is T1 capital T1 minus capital T2 upon gamma minus 1, and say it is equation number 5, and it is the final expression for work done during adiabatic process, work done by an ideal gas during adiabatic process. If there is work done by the system, by the gas, we have W is greater than 0, and in that case if T1 is greater than T2, that is in the adiabatic expansion, T1 is capital T1, that is initial temperature of the system, is greater than the final temperature of the system, that is T2 is smaller than T1, that is temperature in the adiabatic expansion, temperature of the system falls, decreases. So write down, during the adiabatic expansion, work done should be greater than 0, and during or in adiabatic expansion, we have W is greater than 0, that is work done in adiabatic expansion means work done by the system, that is for work done by the system, work done must be greater than 0, and it will show when T1 is greater than T2, then W work done, total work done by the ideal gas will be equal to will be greater than 0, then work done will be positive. If T1 is greater than T2. So W is greater than 0 means that is T1 is greater than T2, that means T2 is smaller than T1, that is final temperature of the system decreases, that means there is cooling, that is temperature of the system falls in an adiabatic expansion, that is hence temperature of the system decreases or falls during the adiabatic expansion. And on the other hand, if there is work done on the system, that is in case of adiabatic compression, W should be smaller than 0, and it will happen if T2 is greater than T1. W नेगेटिव तब होगा जब T2 का वैल्यू T1 माइनस T2, डिफरेंस T1 माइनस T2 है, तो जब T1 कैपिटल T1 T2 से लार्ज होगा तो उस सिचुएशन में वर्क डन बाय द सिस्टम होगा, दैट इज वर्क डन 0 से बड़ा होगा, लार्ज होगा, दैट इज एडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन। तो उस सिचुएशन में T1 कैपिटल T1 बड़ा होना चाहिए, लार्ज होना चाहिए T2 से, दैट इज फाइनल टेम्परेचर स्मॉलर होगा इनिशियल टेम्परेचर से, इसलिए हेंस टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सिस्टम फॉल्स ड्यूरिंग द एडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन, दैट इज कूलिंग प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द एडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन, दैट इज कूलिंग प्रोड्यूस्ड। टेम्परेचर लोअर्ड होगा सिस्टम का एडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन में, इसलिए एडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन के केस में कूलिंग होगा, कूलिंग दैट इज कूलिंग रिजल्ट्स इन द एडियाबैटिक एक्सपेंशन। एंड ड्यूरिंग द एडियाबैटिक कंप्रेशन, एडियाबैटिक कंप्रेशन दैट इज वर्क डन ऑन द सिस्टम। जब सिस्टम के द्वारा वर्क डन नहीं किया जा रहा है बल्कि सिस्टम पर वर्क डन किया जा रहा है, तो सिस्टम मतलब सिलेंडर के अंदर जो गैस है वह कंप्रेस्ड होगी, पिस्टन को जब अंदर की ओर पुश किया जाए तो गैस कंप्रेस्ड होगी, दैट इज एडियाबैटिक कंप्रेशन। सो इन एडियाबैटिक कंप्रेशन W work done on the system will be smaller than 0, that is work done will be negative, and it will possible only when difference T1 minus T2 will negative, that is T2 is greater than T1, that is final temperature of the system becomes larger than the initial temperature of the system, that is temperature of the system increases in the adiabatic compression. So heating is produced in the adiabatic compression and work done is smaller than 0, that is work done is negative, that is temperature, final temperature of the system increases, that is temperature of the system means ideal gas air, so that is final temperature of the system increases during the work done on the system, that is during the adiabatic compression, during work done on the system, that is the adiabatic compression, during work done on the system, that means work done on the system means that is adiabatic compression, adiabatic compression. पिस्टन को अंदर की ओर मूव किया जाएगा, जिसके कारण गैस, आइडियल गैस सिलेंडर के अंदर कंप्रेस होगा, दैट इज adiabatic compression. So temperature T2 is, in this case, work done will be negative, that is W is smaller than 0, and this will possible only when T2 is greater than T1. Final temperature of the system is larger than that of the initial temperature T1. That is, temperature of the system increases during the adiabatic compression or work done on the system during adiabatic process. That is, the result is temperature of the system increases during adiabatic compression, that is resulted to heating, that is heating produced in adiabatic compression, while in the adiabatic expansion cooling is produced. And on the other hand, in adiabatic compression temperature of the system rises or increases, so there is that is heating is produced, that is heating produced in adiabatic compression, resulted to this result, this the result is heating in case of adiabatic compression, that is work done in case of work done on the system, that is the result is heating in case of the adiabatic compression, that is work done on the system, that is work done on the system. तो अगर एग्जामिनेशन में 11th का स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेज के इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशंस में डेरिवेशन पूछा जाए, डिराइव फॉर्मूली फॉर वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग adiabatic प्रोसेस, तो उसमें हम लोग दोनों रिजल्ट इक्वेशन 4 and 5 दोनों रिजल्ट को डिराइव करना होगा, उसमें डिस्कशन लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बोथ फॉर्मूली, दैट इज एक्सप्रेशंस वी हैव obtained that is equation number 4 and equation number 5 for best problems, that is adiabatic expansion and adiabatic compression for best problems, that is work done during adiabatic process for best problems को हम लोग अलग से वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि 11th फिजिक्स के अलावा नीट एंड IIT JEE इंट्रेंसेस के लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा, इसलिए कि वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग adiabatic प्रोसेस एंड वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस फॉर बेस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स IIT JEE एंड नीट इंट्रेंसेस में हमेशा पूछे जाते हैं, बराबर पूछे जाते हैं. सो अलग से वीडियोज में वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग adiabatic प्रोसेस एंड वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस पर प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस किया जाएगा सॉल्यूशंस के साथ. इसके अलावा इस चैप्टर के नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस एंड वर्क डन ड्यूरिंग आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस को डिस्कस किया जाएगा. नाउ दिस वीडियो इज कंप्लीटेड. थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल फिजिक्स क्वांटम क्लासेस. यदि यह वीडियो आप सभी को पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को अधिक से अधिक लाइक करें तथा मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल फिजिक्स क्वांटम क्लासेस को अधिक से अधिक सब्सक्राइब करें तथा इस वीडियो को दूसरों से शेयर भी करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.